Alright, so welcome back. Ayun na naman siya. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I think this is the 6th episode of the Meetup and Team Up. So again, thank you very much everyone for messaging. So yan, I'm teaming up with Ryan. So for this series, the Break 65 series, this is the first time na magkakakilala kami ni Ryan here in Philippine Navy. So this is another open invitation, no? If you love golf, if you're a pro, a caddy, please feel free to just message me so that we can team up and meet up and team up. So from my previous post, this is the first time. Again, this meetup and team up is powered by 3 Strokes. So I'm giving this away to Ryan. So this is going to be a surprise for him. So again, thank you very much also 3 Strokes for making this video happen. So see you at the fairways and starting this series, hole number 1 in Philippine Navy, and our strategy for the Break 65, since si Ryan is a 3 handicap. Siya ang pangalawa parate, so ako lang ang props ngayon. Alright, so I'll try to free him up all the time. And so hole number 1, 471. Again, this meetup and team up is powered by 3 Strokes, and first time to meet si Ryan. And syempre, walang kupas ang aking caddy, si Wengder Woman. And ang caddy ni Ryan, ano name mo? Rose. Ayan, Ryan bro, thank you very much. And yan,
thank you.
Powered by 3 Strokes bro. Yan.
Fan ako ng 3 Strokes.
Talaga ba? Yeah, perfect. So again, thank you very much bro. Ay, introduce yourself naman very quickly lang, parang what do you do?
So I'm Ryan Samonte. I'm working with the military, pero today medyo off day ngayon, so makaka-gold tayo.
Ayan, so let's try to break 65 bro. Oh, baka may gusto ko i-promote. Bago mong movie.
Sabi mo dyan, sabi na Tony Boy ko, habang may sa dyan.
Tawid mo. Ganda. Parang nag-bounce. Buti na lang, break 65. Ang galing. Ang ganda ng ball flight. Ayan, so start of this challenge. So again, like, comment, and subscribe if you like mga contents like these. Ayan, oh. Hi daw. Alam mo, nahalata na ni Missy. Sabi, hindi na nahiya si Wing sa mga videos mo. Pakit na ng pakit. Ayan, okay. Good, mukhang magaling ano. Buti lang, kampi kami.
Mali ka na naman.
Hindi, magkakampi kami. Break 65 nga eh. Oh.
Ihanda mo na ang bonus ko.
Ang 500.
Alam na.
Oo naman, gusto ko naman talaga ibigay yan. Okay, so subukan namin i-break 65. Para siguro kahit siya mag-isa, kaya niya i-break 65 eh. Pero yeah, we'll see. Bakit? Ako muna. Mukhang kaya namin ma-break 65 ngayon. Mukhang magaling. Buti magaling talaga ang kakampi ko. Mukhang palamuti lang tayo dito, Weng. Taga-video natin si Ray. Nice drive, brother.
Thank you.
Tinawid ni Ryan ang hole number 1 to here. That was easily, on a damp day, that was easily a 285-yard drive. Basic. 160.
Wow, ganda niyan. Okay na, hindi na ako titira dyan. Nice shot.
May contribution ako na.
Tikit agad.
At least, kick right yan. Okay lang brother, we're dancing. Dancing for... Sana, dikit.
1 pin siguro eh.
Sana. Shout out pala, si Ryan knows also si Andrew. Ayan, kayo played sa N-Gap sa Baguio. Ayan. Bro, thank you ulit for messaging. Pero saan ka madalas maglaro? Kung saan?
Favorite ko talaga Villamor. Mas favorite ko nito Navy, pero tumong Villamor ako.
Okay. Actually, maganda naman talaga. Challenging ang Villamor. Tsaka mahaba kasi.
Technically, military courses talaga.
Lahat yung madalas nalalaroan. True. Actually, ako din doon ako nagsimula, Agi.
Oh.
Agi nung pandemic. Doon lang. Agi talaga. Kasi nag-promo sila dati ng Unli Golf eh. Alright, so we have two options but malaki yung slope nung kay Ryan. So we might take mine. Malayo pa rin naman to na uphill. So we were putting for Eagle. Have 11 paces. Left to right ba to?
Opo, sir.
Sa may putol. Uphill. So this is for a very strong start. Okay. To show Ryan the line.
Pasok yung brake mo na. Okay na.
Hindi bumali. No?
Turn. Oo, tama yung galing.
So practice. Okay, hamin egg. Alright, that was a very good start. First ever na birdie namin ng hole number 1 sa meetup and team up. So playing 447 yards. So I'll just try to hit the fairway para we can be in regulation. Sorry partner.
Draw.
Nakasabi pa lang natin kailangan maparte.
Okay, the play is ako magpe-play safe dito. Si Ryan will try to go for it if we're safe. Parang yun yung smarter play.
5 iron tayo. Yung 5 na.
Very important for us to go up and down for a par. Left with 125 yards. Kaliwa konti lang.
Opo.
Ayan, buti na lang. Okay, safe par. Sigurado na yun.
Go, 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 go. Uy!
Uy, sobra pa. Ganda.
Go.
Carry mo.
Ayan, tama.
Go, go. Big right.
Ano ba yan? Tayo. Apply lang po.
Ito na. Okay, we are taking Ryan's second shot. We need to hold this out to stay 1 under. Dun sa parang dating butas, Wena. No?
Labas lang pa ng bilog yun.
Labas lang ng bilog. Hindi pa malaki yan. Yun nga, sa dating butas. Yun yung sarap mo. Di ba? Tama.
Ang ganda niyan. Ang ganda niyan. One time.
Ulap mo.
One time. One time. One time.
Sayang!
Ang galing naman ng basa na yan. Very good.
Alright, hole number 3. Sayang, very unfortunate. We bogeyed hole number 2. But it's really handicap 1. That's really the challenge. We both missed the fairway kasi sa drive. I went to the left, si Ryan went to the right. Hole number 3, it's playing 177 yards. So I might be hitting a 7, Weng.
Kiklep. Kiklep.
Okay. Ay, bumaba pa yata.
Parang hindi. Parang hindi naman bumaba eh, no?
Yan na yung hole in one. Kick right mo.
Go! Go! Bunker din ba? Okay, so I landed sa right bunker. Tapos si Ryan sa left. So we're just choosing mine kasi it might be easier. We're left with 17 yards to the flag. Ano to, right to left?
Yes. Sa loob lang ng bilog.
Bye.
Bite. Ayun.
Yun, right. Pasok mo!
In the hole.
Birdie.
Sayang. Good shot, partner. More a beautiful out by my partner.
Thank you.
Okay, hopefully hindi ko na siya pagpapatin. Oo, sana. Okay.
Okay. Very good.
Tala.
Ayun pa naman yung mga nakakainis na pat, no?
Mga criminal distance. Okay, hole number 4. That was a very good up and down by Ryan. So, we're even par. Dog leg left, 324 yards.
Draw.
Kiklep mo.
Tumama pa.
Nagkakalangan ng bonus. Perfect. Nice shot,
Tingin ko
partner.
hindi.
Nice shot.
Ayun, maganda yung bounce.
Ganda, okay. Gitna. Okay. Buti na lang. Good shot, brother.
Itong corner na to dapat ano to? Madalawahan natin to.
Oo. Actually, ito naman yung mahirap eh. Tapos yung 7. 7, mahirap. Okay, we are left with 65 yards. We're taking Ryan's tee shot. Right to left, mga tirang 50.
Ang ganda niyan. Kumapit ka, mag-bite ka please. Mag-bite ka.
Oops.
Nice shot, brother. Very good. Tapang mo sa ganyan.
Oo, damang ko naman yung hirap. Wala talagang titigilan nyo. Kailangan talaga before eh. Thank you, ate.
Ako never ko ginagawa yun eh. Ako talagang lagi yung before dyan. Ayun ang lagi kong gamble sa whole net.
Actually, yun naman yung dapat yatang smarter play eh.
Actually, okay yun. Kung ganun ka confident sa wedge mo.
Hindi, alam ko lang na ikaw yung susunod.
Okay yung ginawa ko.
Kick right.
Pang
Okay.
bonus na pin.
Mahirap kasi. Oh, okay, we have this birdie putt to go back to 1 under. So we're taking my second shot. Left, right, wena, no? Bigyan mo naman target, please. Patchok. Yan dahon na yan. Regular lang. For +1. Sa loob lang ng dahon na yan.
One time.
Do it!
Asok mo na.
Ay, mahina! Kami linya, brother. Dito ko binigay.
Oo.
Kuha. Hindi, babali yan. Ay, mahina din!
Kulang na sa tapang. Tama
Ayan.
yun.
Good try, good try.
Okay.
Hole number 5, playing 105 yards. We are currently even par, hitting a 50-60. Sige mo, tama ito, di ba?
Oo. Pwede. Kicklet mo. Go!
Ay! Uy!
Uy!
Langanin pa!
Buti na lang. Pero patungin no? Patungin
Opo,
no?
sir.
Hindi ko na-expect na shirt yun ah.
Kumanan pa sa dulo eh.
Humble ako. May hangin nga sa taas, oh. No?
Umalis ka sa kari, ano po.
Kasi sabi mo, mulawin. Okay. Oh. We're taking my tee shot. Si Ryan was just off the green. This might be an easier option lang daw. So we are... Okay. May plus? Regular lang. With the grain? So matapang ng konti. Firm. So... Firm lang na G's. Tama. One time.
Ang galing naman yun!
Okay. 1 under. Galing magbasa ni Wena. Okay, natural.
Ang ganda nun.
Naughty bird. Okay.
Sakto eh.
Oo.
Ang bigay nyo
Natural.
na 1 cup.
So partner, okay. 1 under. Kailangan ng dalawa pa dito sa front. Okay, that was a good naughty bird. At least may na-contribute na ako sa team namin. Okay, so going to hole number 6. Kailangan namin ng hopefully 2 more birdies here in front 9. Okay, hole number 6. Dogleg left. Currently, we are 1 under. Okay, dito ko kaasahan si partner kasi draw. Pwede na ba?
Pwede na po.
Wag.
Lagi akong kumakapit din dito, no? Beauty.
Nice shot.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sorry, partner. Nice shot. Nice shot.
What happened?
What happened, Vela? What happened, Velas? What? Vampire, right? We are taking Ryan's tee shot. Ang ganda ng tee shot niya. We're left with 60 yards. No room, no green to work with. Susubukan kong a nippy 60-degree wedge. Ako short.
Ay, wag. Wag.
Pumasok, sayang yung bola. Ay, kapit yan, sayang.
Bite.
Ay, ang lakas. Ano ba yun?
Pinahirapan ko yung partner ko. 16 yards to the flag. Right to left. May kabilisan to na, di ba?
Ito na pala.
Tama na.
Kulang, oo, kulang. Actually, start ako sa left eh. Ganun din.
Ay, ang sama ng hit na yun.
Kailang. Make a ball. Make a ball, make a ball. Right inside na Wengski. Firm putt right inside to stay even par. Ay, even par. To stay 1 under. Alright, hole number 7. At least na par namin yun. Sayang, kaso gandang ng drive eh. Hindi ako nakakatulong. So I need to be in the fairway. Hitting a 6 iron.
Kick right.
Shot. Perfect.
You can go for it, partner. Tawid mo.
Yan.
Parang okay yan.
Lusot yan.
Parang lusok. Oo, ganda ng tama. Nice shot, partner. Grabe naman si Ryan. Grabe ang drive. Left with mga 50 yards na lang yata to the flag. Nice drive, partner.
Thank you.
Lupit. Buti na lang magaling partner ko. Sana. Okay, we are left with 54 yards to the flag. Ano to, Weng? Diretso na? Left to right, diba? Left to right, tas right to left sa may butas. Ah, hindi, left nga pala. Oo, tama. Oo.
Good bounce. Yun, okay na. Nice one.
Pasok!
Pasok
Tigil!
mo na!
Ah! Okay. Woo! Okay. 2 under if ever.
Wala tayong gagawin.
Laki nga sa kaliwa, ano? Sobra po, dinagdagan ko rin nga talaga. Doon sa may puno ko nilagay. Ganda rin. Pasok mo na. Pasok mo na! Ay, sayang. Okay.
Galing.
Okay. Nice shot, partner. Ganda naman kasi ng drive. Okay. I think we're in for birdie. Okay. 2 under. Okay. Both good approaches. In for birdie naman na siguro to. So we are 2, if ever possibly 2 under. So we need to birdie 1 more. Siguro sa 9 ang ang pag-asa. Kailangan ma-par pala muna. Don't skip hole number 8. Mahirap pala, par 3. Okay. Right inside firm. Okay. Hey, birdie. Haminig.
Nice one.
Nice putt. Okay. O, 2 birdie yun. So, alright, so hole number 8. Playing 148 yards. Wala naman hangin. So I'm hitting a 9 iron. Tapos we are currently 2 under. Ayan, shout out kay na Wengder Woman. Tsaka mga taga, di ba? Si Wengder Woman.
Okay na. Wala na akong gagawin. Nice shot.
Ano pa ako?
Ang ganda no.
Okay.
Very good.
At least. Ganda.
Draw.
Tikit mo na. Kick right. Ganda rin, partner. Okay. Oh, ganda ng tira. Ito.
Ang ganda.
Ganda rin, maganda. Magandang ano. Okay, we're taking Ryan's tee shot. Ganda. This is to go 3 under.
Tama na ulit ipatin.
Oh, sana. Kung tama ba sa ulit ni Wengder Woman. Ano ba tingin mo, Weng? Kaliwa tingin ko eh. Sa gitna nung ano, nung ano no? Paakit na no?
Wala na. Galing.
Partner.
Galing
Thank you.
mag-putt.
3 under, 3 under.
Ganda ng hagod na
Ganda
yun.
ng pass.
Ayusin mo, may parcel ako ngayon, yung bonus ko.
Hindi ko pa naman sinasabing may bonus kapag naka-break 65, ba't di mo ginagawa?
Oh, dalawa.
Hindi no, oh.
Alright, hole number 9. 511 yards. Hopefully, we can still birdie this hole. We are currently 3 under. Buti lang magaling partner ko. Partner, thank you. Thank you for carrying the team. So, ako laying up lang kahit na ano mangyari. Hirap tawirin to eh. Iron lang siguro.
Buti na lang, may savior.
Buti na lang. Kaya na tayo nakikipag-team up sa magaling. Para mukha rin ako magaling. Tama na! Uy!
Bakit?
Okay lang, 3 shot hole pa rin. Okay, for
Kasi sila ng mga...
lagpas ng green. Sobra. Parang pag sinabi na, tapos na. Puro kalukuhan tong caddy ko. Namimiloso po na eh. Okay. So, we're taking Ryan's tee shot sa bunker. Unfortunately, mine sliced eh. Nasa punuan. So, I'm hitting lang a 7 iron. Hopefully, course management para nasa fairway kami.
Nice shot, sir.
Okay, Ryan hitting his... Ano yung brother? Hybrid? Hybrid. Oh, hybrid. Para to get it closer to the hole. My goal was to give him a fairway shot lang sa third shot. Ganda! Beautiful! Gitnang gitna. Okay, we're taking that. Okay, we are taking Ryan's second shot. Playing 105 yards. Parang feeling ko kukulangin to, Wing. Malakas sa hangin eh.
Kasi sir, pagbagsak mo nun, pababayan doon sa green eh.
So 60 pa rin.
Gitna lang ang bagsak mo.
Oh, sige. Sige na nga.
Sa sobra tayo dyan, may ubi yan. Opo. May sampin sa kaliwa, sir.
Ay, sabi ko na mabibitin.
Good kick. Good kick.
Hmm?
Behind din ng konti.
Go.
Ganda.
Go.
Go. Hindi, nahangin din eh.
Go.
Tama na, tama na.
Diba?
Tama na.
Magulong
Kailan
dun
mo
eh.
galing talaga. Natural. Gusto mo ikaw na magpat para natural birdie mo.
Kaninong mali yan?
Sa dibot. Okay. So far, this is Ryan's hole. Lahat ng tira sa kanya. Left to right, 8 paces. Ano bigay mo, Wengski? Doon lang sa unang putol? Okay.
Sa may hiwa.
Tapos, regular, no? With the green?
Opo.
Okay.
Mabilis sa dulo.
So kung 8-8 lang din?
8 lang po.
8-8?
Ang ganda ulit.
Malakas. Tama nga si Wing. Malakas lang. Actually, okay lang.
Go! Far.
Okay, at least 3 under. Alright, so hole number 10. We are currently 3 under.
Under.
Okay, kaya na. Sana. This might be the first time we'll break 80. Yun pala dapat. Partnering with a very good golfer dapat. Thank you, partner.
Very lucky golfer.
Okay.
Go! Go! Ay, balik.
Okay, we are taking Ryan's tee shot. Sa akin, nandun sa kaliwa sa may puno. Mga 10 yards to the flag. Ano to, Wing na left?
Saan po ng bilog?
Left to right? Dating buta shoot.
Kasalanan niya po, bungol siya.
Buti na lang magaling.
Take mo na.
Okay, buti. Okay, dapat makinig sa caddy. Right to left pala. Ginawa ko left to right. Pero at least we are, I think, in for par naman na siguro to.
For the video.
Wala pa.
Oh.
Buti lang. Up and down. Natural par by Ryan. So hole number 11. Baka we might both go for it na. Well, attempt. Ako. Go use a driver na. Okay. Magpe-play safe na lang ako. Pag safe ako, magda-driver kayo. Ay, ako. Mag-driver kayo. Ay, 6 iron na lang pala ako.
Ganda ng tama. Perfect.
Shot, sir.
Ang ganda niyan.
Finally, survey ulit. Ganda. Ito muna, tawid yan. Ito naman tawid yan. Parang nakita ko nag-bounce, parang right before the bunker. Yung second, around the green. Ganda ng drive ni Ryan. We are left with 44 yards taking his tee shot. Left to right, 44 yards. Tirang mga 35, no? Kalahating putters sa kaliwa.
Ang ganda niyan. Ang ganda niyan. Okay, very good.
Uy, tama na.
Ang pungot ng kit.
Okay, Ryan. Chance to hit it closer. Putting for birdie. Ganda yata yan. Bite. Mas maganda yan, partner. Ayos. Closer. Nice shot, partner. Nice shot. Okay. Nice shot. We might be in for birdie. To go 4 under. Woo! Buti lang pala.
Labas pala talaga.
Alright. One of our better starts sa break 65 ng meetup team up. Hole number 12. 100. It's playing 150 yards. Slightly against the wind, but I might hit a 9 iron. Bye. Bye. Okay lang pala.
Ayan, dikit yan.
This is to go 5 under. We're taking my tee shot slightly closer, pero it's 8 paces right to left. Ang bigay ni Wing ay halos isang cup doon sa may dumi. Okay, kita.
Turn.
Kumali. Malakas lang.
Malakas.
5 under, baby.
Oh! Oh! Galing.
Nice spot, partner. Sakto-sakto speed.
Parang pa-suspense pa yung bola eh.
Nice spot.
Ayos. Hole number 13. We are currently 3 under. 5 under na pala kami. Playing 489 yards. Ito, dito na sana. We can take advantage of the par 5s.
Shot! Perfect. Okay na, buhay na tayo. Ang layo ng talbog, oh, pag napuruhan mo.
Ganda rin. Options, left or right. Mas malayo yun sa'yo, partner. Nice shot. Nice shot, partner. Ayos, gettable in 2. Okay, we are taking Ryan's tee shot. Grabe yung tee shot. Ganito palang kakampi mo si Brian DeChambeau. We're left with 150 yards. Hopefully, up and down for an eagle. Hitting a 9 iron. Ay, hindi nag-draw.
Draw.
Patay ka.
Huwag ka umabot sa bunker. Huwag ka umabot.
Hindi nag-draw at all.
Kaya na si Ryan yan.
Ay, kapit naman. Okay lang yun. Naku, bunker rin naman. Okay, bumalik right. Pato. Very difficult eagle putt to go 7 under. Left to right, it's 18 paces. Mga firm na G's. Mabilis to eh, di ba? Gano'n galakay sa kaliwa kung ilalaylay natin. Ganyan na kaliit, tingin mo? Talaga ba? Hindi ba lalaylayan pa kanan? Diyan ko dadalhin. Break! Tama si Wing, hindi nga masato. Laylay, sige pa. Okay, I think that can make a book. Baba. Down. Eagle. Do it. Do it.
Ay! Ay, 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 ay.
Thank you.
May under na. With one bogey pa yan. Nice one, partner. Nice putt. Okay, hole number 14, 510 yards. What a putt by Ryan. We are now on par to break 65. We are 6 under.
Ang ganda niya. Perfect yan.
What a beauty. Ayun, carry naman. Okay. We have options either left or right. Nice shot, partner. Parang nakabig. Nag-hook ba? Okay lang pala. Okay.
Bro.
Si Weng ang pumili nitong lie. Si Weng ang masisisi.
Tulungan mo.
Joke lang. Okay, 40 yards taking Ryan's second shot. Kaliwa to, Weng, no?
Malit lang sir.
Malit sa kaliwa. Kung baga sa linyang puti.
Loob lang po.
Ang ganda, bye.
Might be make up. Okay lang, easy par. Yung sasabi ko, matigas kasi lupa. Nag-slide lang.
Sorry.
Joke lang. Okay, 5 paces. This is to go 7 under. Kaliwa, Weng, ano?
Opo. Ito lang po.
Yan mismo? Okay. Mahina.
Opo.
Ryan for birdie. Come on, to go 7 under. Ngayon lang tayo magsa 7 under. Hindi naghahabol. Kuha! Kitang-kita. Nice putt, partner. Ay, buti lang. May nakita ka ba sa read ng putt ko? Wala naman. Ano binigay mo? Dito nga. Tama nga. Mahina lang talaga yung putt ko. Hole number 15. 442 yards. Currently 7 under na. How low can we go na lang dito?
Tama na. Okay lang yan. Good shot yan.
Okay lang yung playable yun. What a drive! Grabe, gitnang gitna. Perfect. Okay, eagleable ulit. Eagleable. Nice shot, partner. Grabe. What a drive by Ryan. We're left with 164 yards to the flag. Hitting an 8 iron. Okay lang, at least baka easy birdie na yun. Hopefully. We're dancing for birdie. I think we're on already. Ganda rin, brother. Kick right pa yan. May chance yan. Mali yung sipa. Sarap na magaling kasama. Thank you, Rai. Ganda ng drive eh. Okay, we have this putt for eagle. This is to go 9 under. Anong bigay mo, Wing?
Sadahon sir. Bilis pa rin.
Hindi siya bilang babagan.
Kulang lang. Hey gosh.
At least easy bird.
Okay. 8 under.
Whew, finally, mukhang we will be breaking 65. We are currently 8 under. So how low can we go na lang? Siguro the challenge na lang sa amin ngayon is to try break 60. So iba talaga pag you're powered with 3 strokes. So hole number 16 na kami. Hole number 16, it's playing mga 108 yards to the flag. Ay, holy! Balik pa ng konti. Keep right. Ay! Draw. Okay lang. Okay, we are taking Ryan's tee shot. 14 paces. Ano bigay mo, Wengski? Right to left? +1. Ha?
Third.
Speed talaga yan magkakatalo.
Alright, hole number 17. Currently, we are still 8 under. Okay, mukhang break naman na to. Break 65. We can just try to go as low as we can. So hole 17 is playing 177 yards. Slightly against the wind. I might still hit a 7 iron. Galing, galing ng partner ko. Buti na lang. Lagi niya akong sinasalo pag pangit. Thank you, partner. Galing. Buti, magaling. Buti, magaling. Magaling. Oo nga eh.
Anong bago? Nandun na naman kami.
Bago, nasa puno na naman tayo. Ha? Buti nga talaga, magaling yung kakampi ko. Buti lang, hulingan mo na. Oh,
Fried chicken. Go!
Go! Okay lang, at least patong. Thank you, partner. Galing nga, no? Okay. We are taking Ryan's tee shot. Buti na lang, patong. Hopefully, this will...
Ano na ko, sir?
Ah, talaga? Hindi left right yan?
Grabe no, ha? Talaga?
Hindi kasi tingin ko talaga mukhang kaliwa eh.
Dito may kansa doon.
Pero tama ka, yung bugbog ng cup, right to left. Okay. Ah, dito kasi double break. Okay, gets, kita.
Konti pa.
Ay, sayang! Tama ka, diretso, brother. No?
Ay, kapit. Ayun ang kapit.
Wala, far. Okay, last hole. 380 yards. Laying up lang with a pitching wedge against the fan. Beauty. Ang lakas ng hangin, ano? Okay, left with... Ano ba rin mo, brother? 230? 230. Okay, playing hopefully good decision to hit a hybrid.
Naku, dumiretso ko na. 4! Ayan na. Kiklep mo. Kiklep mo.
Either bunker or before. Okay, taking Ryan's tee shot. Ay, second shot. Left with 26 yards. Right to left. Tirang 20.
One boy.
Ay, malakas.
Ganda.
Ayan na.
Shoot mo pa, Chipinski.
Tumalbog kasi sa kanya.
Okay na to. At least. Okay. This is Ryan's approach. We're just left with 4 paces right to left to go up and down for a par to end the challenge ng 8 under. Tama, 8 under. Thank you, Weng. Sige, 1 cup.
Dali!
Good round, partner.
Ang galing, ang galing.
Break the record.
Ito naman ang bosa ni Wena.
Oh, yung Nini Aquino kong bonus ha.
Thank you very much. Sa ulitin. I'll get your number at dito sa live ko. Yay!
Galing, galing, galing.
Look mo.
Yay! May bonus na naman siya. Happy ka ba?
Siyempre,
Mamaya
si Sir
natin-
Ryan lang pala inaantay natin para makabreak.
Mamaya mo makukuha. Thank you. May parcel. Brother, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Uulitin.
Oo.
Okay, finally broke 65 na 2v2. So this is the current standing for our 2v2. Then again, if you want to try a 2-man scramble and we try to break 65, please message me. Tapos yeah, again, thank you very much to 3 strokes. Iba talaga pala pag powered by 3 strokes ang iyong round. So again, there's still giveaways ongoing, so please keep messaging me so that we can schedule the meetup and team up so that I can give you more giveaways. So thank you very much and see you at the fairways. Thank you ka naman.
Thank you. Sir Ryan lang pala inaantay namin para makabreak 65 ka. Kaya
Bakit?
sabi mo na break 65 ka. Okay, practice round. Yun yung isip ko. Pero nakita ko yung drive ni Sir sa una. Ay, sabi ko
May pag-asa. Walang hiya ka. wala ka na tiwala sa akin. Nice shot.